Hi student, today we will learn about the data management in health sciences by using SPSS. In SPSS, data option menu bar having different options or data management options. Identify duplicate cases, unusual cases, sort variables, transpose data, merge files, add variables or add cases, restructure data, aggregate data, split file, select cases, wait cases. Data menu bar. In SPSS, the data menu bar offers several options for managing and manipulating data, including defining variables, sort cases, merging files, splitting files, and selecting cases. These functions allow users to organize and prepare their data set for analysis. Transpose data. The purpose of transpose data to switch rows and columns to make variables into cases and cases into variables. The SPSS option is data transpose. Select the variables to transpose. Optionally set a variables to use as names for new variables. Click OK. For example, convert repeated measurement BP at time 1, time 2 and time 3 into long format. To understand the transpose data in SPSS, we first open the transpose data one file in SPSS 24 version. It will take some time. Here we have 6 total variables and we have 50 observations, 6 variables and 50 observations. For transpose column in rows and rows in columns, we go to data options and go to transpose option and move all variables in, select all variables, age, gender, time 1, time 2 and time 3 in variables and patient id in name variables and press button OK. The transpose data open in another files and we separately save these files. Here we have 50 variables and each variables convert in cases. Age variables, gender variables and time 1, time 2 and time 3 variables. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.